Do you know that you're just one YouTube channel away from transforming your lifestyle? In this video, I'm going to reveal an untapped niche along with a proven strategy that will enable you to quit your boring 9 to 5 job and start earning passive income while doing whatever you enjoy. The best part is that you only need to work just 2 hours each week to make all of this happen. Even though it may seem too good to be true, if you follow the exact steps I'll cover in this video, you are sure to start earning within 60 days. So make sure to watch the video all the way to the end, as I'll also share the secret automation strategy I personally use to generate income while I sleep. Before we move into step 1, make sure you stay subscribed to the channel that's going to transform your entire lifestyle. Step 1. Choosing a niche. This step is often overlooked by most creators, not realizing that it's crucial for succeeding on your YouTube journey. Don't worry, as the niche I'm revealing is largely untapped and will ensure rapid success. These types of self-improvement wisdom videos are generating millions of views each month, enabling channel owners to earn thousands of dollars while gaining thousands of new followers. This niche is evergreen because nearly everyone watching YouTube can benefit from these videos, leading to a high potential viewer ratio. What we're going to do is combine these existing wisdom topics with teachings from the Holy Bible. This approach is fresh on YouTube, and viewers will be captivated immediately when they see these videos. So you might be wondering, how am I going to provide this wisdom to my viewers? Don't worry, as we're moving into step 2, where we'll create a script. Step 2, creating a script using the Revinovate method. To do this, I'm going to implement a strategy I call the Revinovate method, which is essentially reverse engineering a proven video while adding innovation and value. To demonstrate this, let's search for a successful video in the self-improvement niche. You'll need to type self-improvement on YouTube and look for videos with over 1 million views that were uploaded within the past year. You can also filter by the most viewed videos on renowned self-improvement channels. I found a video on this channel that has gained over 1.7 million views in the last year. Now, copy the title of the video and head over to ChatGPT. There are many alternative AI platforms that have been launched recently, but I still prefer ChatGPT as it serves my purpose best. Next, type, "Can you generate an article on how to overcome laziness using Bible wisdom?" This should be enough for a 6-minute video. Here, we use the term Bible wisdom so that the AI can reference relevant teachings to build our script. We've now generated an engaging script for our video, and we can move on to step 3, gathering the necessary material. Step 3. Gathering materials using AI image generators. For this, we'll use a site called Leonardo.ai, an AI image generator that will provide the necessary images for our video. You can sign up for a free account, which grants you 150 credits per day, enough to create a video. These credits refresh daily and can be used for image generation. Click Image Creation, select the preset as Illustrative Albedo, and change the aspect ratio to 16.9. Now, enter a prompt to generate the required images. For our video, we need 2 types of images. First, random images of Bible characters to use as background visuals. Second, images related to our video topic to keep the content engaging. For example, you can type ancient Bible character preaching to his audience and click Generate. As you can see, this tool has created some engaging pictures as requested. I suggest generating more images by tweaking the prompt slightly. Next, I'll enter the prompt lazy Bible character lying in his bed with no energy to work. You should change the image every 8 seconds during the video to maintain audience retention. Download enough images based on your video's length. I recommend a duration of 6 to 8 minutes, which I find ideal. Step 4. Creating a voiceover using AI. Now we'll create a voiceover. Instead of recording our own voiceovers like in the past, we can use AI. Go to a site called 11 Labs, which offers some of the most realistic voices available. You can sign up for a free account with 10,000 characters available each month. Paste your script here and choose a voice preset. There are many realistic voices to choose from, but I suggest Adam Stone, which suits our videos. Click Generate and download the voiceover. Let's give it a listen.
Laziness is something we all battle at times, but it can hinder us from reaching our full potential.
Step 5. Editing the video. Now, let's move on to Step 5. Editing the video. This is the most crucial step as it ensures viewers watch until the end. Many gurus suggest using AI text-to-video generators like InVideo and Flicky for similar content, but to stand out, this step needs to be done manually. Don't worry, we'll use CapCut, a free software that makes editing quick and easy. First, go to CapCut and download the desktop version. Import your images and voiceover into the application. Drag them to the timeline, ensuring all images are displayed for a maximum of 8 seconds each. Add effects and animations here. CapCut offers plenty of animations to explore, but I usually stick to zoom in and zoom out effects, setting their duration to around 6 to 7 seconds. Next, add intriguing background music to enhance the video. Go to the audio section and search for suspense or intrigue. Choose a track and add it to the timeline, duplicating the song if necessary to cover the whole video. Lastly, add captions, which you can generate automatically by going to the captions section and selecting auto captions. Choose a catchy template to ensure your video looks professional. Once everything is done, review the video and export it for free. Set the quality to 1080p and keep the other settings as default. Let's now preview the video we just created.
The Bible offers timeless wisdom that not only encourages diligence, but also provides spiritual guidance to break free from laziness. In this video, we'll explore Bible principles to help overcome laziness and live a life of purpose and action. 1. The dangers of laziness, according to the Bible.
Now that the video is complete, let's move on to the automation strategy I promised you at the beginning. Remember, I mentioned that you need to work just 2 hours per day. Here's how it works. I need you to upload 2 to 3 videos every week with a 2 to 3 day gap in between. This will result in you uploading 8 to 12 videos each month. From my experience, it only takes a maximum of 1 hour to create a video, so you'll only need to spend 2 hours creating enough content for the week. This effort can enable you to earn thousands of dollars in the process, and you can be anywhere you want while doing what you love. However, make sure you remain consistent and don't miss your upload schedule. If you decide to upload 8 videos, maintain that frequency, as it will encourage the algorithm to reward you for your consistency. And hey, there's another proven niche that's raking in millions as we speak, with all the creators behind it secretly making over $5,000 each month. If you want to explore this niche while it's still thriving, make sure to watch the video that will pop up now. But before that, please drop a like on this video. See you all on the other side.